Hello dear listeners, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the second tutorial of Python machine learning. Last day I showed you about the basics of AI, ML, DL and data science. Today we are focusing to install and run the Anaconda navigator. So first of all, I'm going to my slide. So what you need actually, there are some platforms, Anaconda navigator. You can also work in Ubuntu Linux. You can also install any other Python IDE. You can work in Google Colab. And here is GitHub where my lecture sheets are, and also Kaggle. So I'm showing you something. It's Google Colab. We can work together in Google Colab. And Kaggle is a data scientist platform. Data scientist can work uh, for any other model developing or challenging. Now here is a ongoing project COVID-19 challenge. So always there is ongoing challenges in Kaggle. You can study and some notebooks from here for your betterment. And this is my GitHub profile. So first of all, we need to install Anaconda Navigator. So let's go to the anaconda.com/distribution. So we're searching Anaconda distribution free download. Go to this link and Python 3.7 version for 64-bit and 32-bit operating system. Download this one and install. I installed earlier. This is my Anaconda navigator. So in this navigator there are various types of Python and R and Julia, Spider, various types of platform for programming. So we will use Jupyter and launch it. It will launching through your browser. Here we can see from my browser there is opening a page which is a local host, giving a local host, and from here I will open a file, Python file, and this is my platform to programming. Okay, now let's introduce in the navigator. This is my home, this is the environment. Your required various libraries are available here. If you need something, you just search in here and install those. And you can also go to from Anaconda prompt. Just search for Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt. So you can check the Python version. PYTH. And so here I installed Python 2.7.16 version. You can also install Python 3.7. Nothing else. Both are both have some differences, but I installed 2.7 for basic purpose. Okay, from navigator you can also code 2 plus 3. Again, we also open our notebook from prompt, cross it. Let's go to the prompt, Anaconda prompt, and run. Okay, here you can also uh, basic task of programming, and it's our navigator, and it's navigator, and it's the Anaconda prompt. Now come to the Jupyter. What is Jupyter? Jupyter means there are three programming languages at a time. First one is Julia programming language, and Python programming language, and last R programming language. And all of three programming languages, there is a common platform, Jupyter Notebook. So we will work in Jupyter Notebook. So let's go to the GitHub. Here I give a link, GitHub, my profile link. Just search in your browser, and you will find a Python machine learning course materials in here. So from the course materials, just select the lecture sheets, pynb files, and you will find everything about my lectures. Follow the instruction and program in Jupyter Notebook. Let's go. We're searching GitHub. So here is the Python machine learning course. Here is the course materials, and first one, Python object and data structure basics. The first one is numbers. Here are the lecture sheets. So basically we can program in our shell. This is a shell type programming. Suppose I write my code plus 3 and shift enter is our output. We need to press shift enter. Again we want to print something. Print shift enter. So it's a program, one kind of programming operating shell by shell. And you can also find the basic number plotting system. Suppose I apply 2 into 2, 2 into 2, shift enter 4, then all other mathematical operation system, 3 divided by 2, 1.5, 7%, 4, 3. Then again any other mathematical problem you can solve this notebook. So I am here is a basic mathematical system. Here I assume that a equals to 10, and then I added 2 with a, and the result output is 12. So this is the basic number operation of Python. You can practice this in notebook. Again, we also open our notebook from prompt, cross it. Let's go to the prompt, Anaconda prompt, and run. Hmm, Here it opens. You can title a name, fast code in Python, then run. Shift enter. So it's the basic. Thank you all.